Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel AL-Furqan IT Academy. Today we are going to learn the block diagram of a computer system in a very easy and simple way. So let us start. First of all, let us see what is a computer system. Computer system is an electronic machine that takes input from the user, processes it, stores the information and gives output. It works on a simple cycle: input, process, output. This is called IPO cycle. Okay, so this is the block diagram of a computer system. It has four main parts: input unit, CPU, memory unit and output unit. All these parts work together to make the computer function properly. So let us study each one of this block. Now the first thing here is input unit. The input unit is used to enter the data and the instructions to the computer. Without input, the computer cannot work. Examples for the input unit are keyboard, mouse, scanner and microphone. So whatever we type, click or we speak, it goes into the computer through the input unit. Now let us study about the CPU. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. The CPU is called the brain of the computer. It processes the data and controls all the activities of the computer. CPU has two main parts. First one is the control unit and second one is the ALU. Okay, control unit means CU, ALU means arithmetic and logical unit. So now let us discuss about these two parts, CU control unit and ALU. First we'll have a look on control unit. The control unit controls the instructions and coordinates all the parts of the computer. It decides what to do, when to do and how to do. It does not do any kind of calculations, but it manages all the operations. Okay, you have to remember this. Next we have is ALU, that is arithmetic logic unit. The ALU performs all the calculations and the logical operations. It does addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. And it also compares the numbers like greater than, less than or equal to. So these kind of operations are performed by the ALU. Then the next thing here we study is the memory unit. The memory unit stores the data, instructions and the result. It is used to keep the information for the future use. There are two types of memory here. One is the primary memory and one more is the secondary memory. Okay, the examples of primary memory are RAM and ROM, and the examples of secondary memory are hard disk and pen drive. Okay, so the next one is we have is output unit. Okay, the output unit shows the final result to the user. Whatever we work on the computer, it is shown through the output device, and these output devices are monitor, printer, speakers and projector. Okay, so this is the complete block diagram explanation of the computer system. Okay, so in general we'll discuss it once again. See, basically first we give input using the input device, then the CPU processes the data, then the memory stores the data and the instructions. Finally, the output unit shows the result. This is how a computer system works step by step. So friends, this is the complete explanation of the block diagram of a computer system. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel AL-Furqan IT Academy for more informative IT knowledge. Thank you.